Hi friends, now we have Dell Inspiron laptop. In the laptop there is a problem with the battery. Because of this I am going to check the battery, and I will show you how to remove the battery also, and also will show you what are the components will be there inside. I will show you one by one. First you remove the screws one by one properly, and smoothly remove the panel. And then this is the battery. This is the battery, RAM and SSD is there here. The battery model number is YRDD6. And if you want to remove the battery, first you unplug the cable like this, and then remove all the screws here one by one. Like this it will come. Okay, thank you.